In this video, I'm going to be teaching you Capcut video editing on Android and Apple devices. Without wasting much time, let's dive in.
Create a new project on Capcut, and you have three options above here where you can select your folder from your device and the library for default video. You have two options, either video on the folder or image on the folder. I'm selecting this video for this editing. You have your clip on your editors. I do changes that will affect the entire clip before starting to cut and trim my video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I will click on the clip, then look for volume. So I will adjust the volume according to what I want. The next is retouch. Click on retouch face. So you can see the face has been marked out for editing. I do with smooth face smoothing to actually remove some of the particles from your face. In this video, I've already done the retouch. Do not overdo the retouch so that the video, your face will not be over blurred. But this will help you to remove the pimples from your face, as you can see. The next is also the teeth whitening. Then you drag on this bar also to whiten your teeth to the level you want it to be. So that is what I do on retouch. The next is color grading under adjust. So I will click on the clip, look for adjust. These are the options that adjust, which is color grading, and there's no specific way in doing this. All I got to do is to look at what I have, the original video I've already have. I normally play with the shadow so that it will give me better color as I'm adjusting. I also play with the temperature to give me that warm or that cool effect. Okay, those are a few changes that I have to do to the entire video. So the next thing on the line is cutting and trimming. In trimming the video means cutting out the unwanted part or where I made a mistake in the particular videos. In this video, I want it to start the moment I say in this. Okay, in this, so the moment I said this, so I will click on the clip, I will split, then I will click on this first part that I splitted, I will cut it off, delete, I will hit delete button, and that's all. The video can now start. In this video, so you see that is how to cut. So another way is that you can also cut and hold and drag to the place you want it to start from, just like I'm dragging. Okay, that is the second way. So now we can also cut from middle of a video when you say a word that you don't want. Okay, if you are a newbie and you want to start creating it similar, I want to eliminate that particular word. You start from the first letter of the word where you make the mistake and you cut, then the last letter of the word where the mistake ended. It's similar cut off. It's so this is the place I want to cut off, that it's. So I will place my ruler on the center, then I will locate edit, and I will click on delete to remove that clip. So the next thing is audio and the sound effect. This is where you add the side effect of flowing in and out of object. You can play with all the side effect to see more. The next thing is text. I could also click on add text and add a text to my video. Subscribe. I could edit this text by selecting the font I want. Under style, I'll click on style. I could add background. Then I don't want the background. I will adjust the roundness of the background, reduce the height, and also reduce the width. I want the background to be red. You can add animation to the text, the in animation, how the text go in, how to create, and how it goes out, and the loop is how the text behaves on the screen. Under style, I could also add shadow. Click the shadow, then the distance of the shadow, and also the blurriness of the shadow. You can play with other options, other text. That is basically how I format text for my video. Next is overlay. Overlay, you can add a picture or a video on top of video, especially when you are doing a commentary or a reaction video. So I could select a video, overlay added as a video. I will highlight it, push with my two fingers from the screen and adjust it to the particular position I want it to be. It's suitable for a reaction video. It could also be an image overlay, and you could time it when it should come in. I will time in by holding here and adjusting when it should come in, and I also go to the other end and also drag it to where it should end. In the other way, I could just click on where it should end I will split and I will delete the unwanted part. Okay, again, the next thing we're gonna look into is effect. Okay, video effect and body effect. Video effect is where you have the blur effect, which I mostly use when I want to blur my background. The background of my video, I use the blur effect. So there are many effects here. You can click and see each of the effect that is available under effect. This is the body effect. The body effect is where you can actually change the background effect. You understand the funny faces effect. Okay, if you want to deselect, I'm deselecting and you click OK. That is what we have on effect. The next thing is to caption the video. And the auto caption will equally be generated. I will edit this caption. For more in-depth CapCut tutorial on caption and editing, subscribe to this channel and watch in our upcoming videos. Okay, so I'm undoing that video now because I don't want to do the caption in full detail. We are gonna do that in our next video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification. So we have filters where you select automatic color, but I don't use filter most of the time. I do the adjustment and color grading myself, just like I did previously. So also we have stickers, a lot of stickers you can use, including the bell, the YouTube stickers, the subscribe button, the comment button, the likes, blah blah blah. So you time it how it comes in and when it goes out. Okay, any sticker you don't want, you delete it off. So guys, when you have your video well edited, the next thing I'm going to be talking about is how to add transition. Like when you split here from this video to move to the next video, you could add a style of movement by clicking on that, and also you select the type of transition it should give you. So transition make your video very fascinating and engaging with your audience, and you can select different transition style. More option you could learn from. You can see a lot of options here. You could play with them, and also subscribe to our channel, as I will be giving you more in-depth tutorial of each of these items we are doing right now. So you have the noise reducer in case your video come with some background noise. You could actually do that. All right guys, so once I finish editing my video, the next thing I'm gonna do, I could also add sound effect to my video by clicking on sound, and you already have a lot of background sound here which are suitable for TikTok. But if you use this sound on YouTube video, you might get copyright issue because CapCut and TikTok has a kind of agreement, but not with YouTube. And make sure you preview your video by clicking on these two arrows, and you watch the entire video and make sure it is well edited and everything is well in order. And the next thing is to click on the export button, and you select the quality of the video. Like for me, I'll leave it at 1080p by 30. This is the default, and you hit on the export button.
If you want to learn how to create viral video editing suitable for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube monetization, do well to check the description of this video and join us in the inner circle where we show you how to create content and how to monetize those social platforms. All I want you to do as one love, one community of content creators and monetization is that whenever I drop a video, do well to give me a like and a comment, and also do follow me on the social link provided in this channel description. All right guys, subscribe now and turn notification to this channel as I drop video almost on daily basis, 5 p.m. +1 GMT. Guys, see you in the next class. Peace and one love.